Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. It's bright and early, but I got a package delivered. It's one of my orders. It was a group order I did with some other customers and that. But I got some cool things that were perfect because I didn't think I was getting them until Monday. One of them is our happy birthday cake. I actually earned this particular package for free, being part of the happy birthday celebration that we have. 5 years in the States. Pretty exciting. 27-year-old business and 5 years in the States. Woohoo! Super exciting. All, women-led, and, founder is amazing. Such a trendsetter, amazing mother. Right now she's volunteering for the Olympics. Sylvie Rochette, she is amazing. One of my mentors, mentors. I think she's great. So anyway, this is the business she's created, and I'm so happy to be a part of it. It has done so much for me. I'm so glad I had said yes to such an amazing business and platform that we have with Epicure. Because, if you haven't heard of Epicure, we're just really awesome, clean, gluten-free, nut-free, no MSG, low sugar and salt, seasonings and baking mixes that you could easily make something in 20 minutes or less. And happy birthday cake is one of my favorites. It's easy to make like a coffee cake with this one, or cookies. Anyways, it's so good. Of course, I had to stock up on pancakes because who doesn't love pancakes? These make the fluffiest pancakes, and I just love these, so always have to have these on hand. And then I was low on my poco picante, so I ordered some more of this. This is great to sprinkle on when you're making a little homemade pizza. Obviously salsas, eggs, whatever it is you might want, but it's definitely something to have on hand. It does have a little bit of heat, so if you're not into heat, use a little, or if you like a lot of heat, stack it up, baby, because it's nice and toasty. I also got our 15-week meal collection. It's 15 different meal solutions here, minimum of 4 servings per, but a lot of them are more. And it's just great to have on hand when you're trying to figure out what's for dinner. You don't really have to fuss too much. Use your favorite protein and veggies, whatever it is you've got on hand. Grab one of these and you can pretty much make it. Beef and broccoli stir fry. It does not have to be beef and broccoli. It can be chicken and broccoli, or chicken and whatever stir fry veggies you got available, and boom, you got this. Or just vegetables or tofu. It really doesn't matter. Make it however you like, and you don't have to think about what the options are. You just kind of grab one and away you go. Kind of what I do when it's the end of the week. I meal prep for most of the week. We get to Thursday, Friday, and then I'm like, all right, just grab one, what's in the freezer, and away we go. So this 15 collection is on sale right now, 10% off, which is pretty cool. And if you happen to want to get it now, before the 15th, just wink, wink, your ambassador, if it's me, will get an extra set of points. So it's nothing more on you. It's just for us who are trying to earn a trip for next year, and we get extra points for it. So pretty cool. All right, so what comes in this awesome collection? Obviously the beef and broccoli, like we talked. The General Tao, so yummy. A little bit of heat, but not a lot. Really great with chicken, tofu, whatever, shrimp. Thai basil, love making drunken noodles with this one. Donair, I'm actually going to be making this one tomorrow in my live in my group. It'll be chicken, so I'm just trying to decide if I want to brown my chicken or just chop it up. Mac and cheese, awesome on popcorn. Sticky orange chicken, Italian meatballs, butter chicken, cheeseburger pasta, Portuguese chicken, crispy coating crunchy. This one's great for making your own fish sticks or chicken wing fingers, or baked pickles or zucchini with this on it. Really great. Alfredo, we just had that one last night, which is perfect because I'm all out now. Pulled pork. This one actually makes 20 servings, and it's great for one of those meal prepping ones. Sweet and sour stir fry, which we just had this week, and beef dip, which actually makes a really great broth as well. So yeah, that's the 15 meal collection. So it's called the 3-week easy dinners. It's really great. And if you grab that and maybe 1 or 2 other things, we actually have a special a gift with purchase. So you can grab your 15 dinners and a dessert. So our free gift with purchase is one of these 3. So it's our shortbread cookies, which I love because it's a great base for making squares, cheesecakes, anything like that. Use our little perfect petite pan or whatever. Put your cookie down, and then put your cheesecake on it, or brownies, or caramel sauce, or whatever you might want to do, and make little squares or whatever you like to do. They obviously make really great shortbread cookies too. And then you can choose one of our 2 puddings, dulce de leche or chocolate. And these are so easy to make. 2 cups of some format of liquid. Water works just great. Regular milk works great. Oat milk, almond milk, coconut milk, they all work great. You can turn it into a mousse. And literally in a couple of minutes, you'll have pudding. So that's our gift with purchase. That's our 3-week easy dinner collection. Those are the things I got in my order this morning, which is awesome. And some exciting things are coming next week. So I got some cool specials happening. We got some awesome ways to be your own ambassador, to host, all these awesome things. So if there's things in the list that you're like, I really would love that, create a wish list, come chat with me, and let's see how we can get most of your wish list for free. Otherwise, have an awesome Saturday. If you want to join my live in my group, it's in Facebook. If you happen to be there, I can invite you. Just hit me up with a request, or just hit me up and I can send you to my YouTube channel instead. Otherwise, yeah, reach out if you have any questions about meal prep planning, how to get Epicure in your home. Feel free to reach out. Just send me a DM. Bye.